everyone. Thank you for joining this consultation today. The purpose of this discussion is to gather insight on the industry report, the Communications Industry Report. The aim is to enhance the business branding and customer engagement strategies, and particularly through optimized communication methods. So let's start by discussing the objectives of this report. You can see
from a marketing perspective, the primary objective should be to position our venue as a leading choice in the market. We should particularly focus on leveraging the digital platforms like social media to achieve this. And how do you see this fitting to our overall strategy?
Yeah, well, I agree. Enhancing our communication strategies for improved customer satisfaction, which directly impacts repeat visits. So for the venue, the objective of this report should be to align our communication methods with the customer expectations and industry standards.
Yeah, excellent points. With that in mind, let's discuss how we should structure the report to, the best achieve these objectives. So Oscar, from your experience, how do you think we should organize our information?
Well, I suggest we start with an overview of current industry trends, particularly focusing on digital communication. Then we can dive into specific strategies tailored for the venue, like targeted social media campaigns and personalized email marketing. Finally, we should conclude actionable recommendations for implementation.
Yeah, I also think that we should also include a section that compares the very current communication strategies with industry benchmarks. So this would help us to identify areas and we can improve and better meet customer needs.
Okay, yeah, that sounds like a solid structure. Now, let's talk about the resources we'll need to develop this report. Oscar, what resources do you think are essential?
We'll need to access the customer engagement metrics to understand how our current strategies are performing. Additionally, consulting with social media strategies will provide valuable insights into the latest trends and tools we should be utilizing.
Yes, and I can provide recent customer feedback, forms, and satisfaction surveys. So this data will be crucial in understanding our customer current perceptions and areas that we need to improve.
So, and personally, what do you think is a good strategy? Like a simple question, like how a fitness center nowadays, taking in account that they use technology a lot, like how would you approach the customer without being on top of them? You know what I mean? Kind of subtle, kind of.
I think it's actually the easiest part since everyone is already on their phones, even when they are at the gym. Just encouraging something that they already do, but to let us be part of it, to encouraging them to maybe share more stories. We can use our installations and I don't know, just say something very pretty, something very attractive for them to take pictures in it, just to start as a start, and that would be creating this, community sense of community in a social network. That would be a good start.
Okay. Do you think there's something that we are doing wrong that is not? Because we have a lot of emails that don't get opened and a lot of things that don't get tracked.
Well, I think it's very important to include also the team members of Balance Fitness to improve these things by, training the staff based on the report findings. So this is important because this would ensure to everyone it's on the same page, and with this information we can implement new strategies.
Okay. I'm gonna talk about one of the things that we are thinking about introducing, which is chatbots.
Okay.
So over the past few years, chatbots have become increasingly prevalent in customer service and support areas. They simulate like human conversations, and the chatbots can improve the efficiency, and because they offer instant responses and reduce the need for human intervention. But what do you think we should be careful and we should think about when we implement chatbots in business?
Well, mainly because we are all still humans, and the customer will sense that. Customer will always want to feel heard, wants to feel a bit of the center of attention. So that is a great tool, but we should not lose focus that our customers are looking for a personalized, customized experience that requires more personal and a more human touch. For sure.
Yeah, and also like these chatbots give us information like really I don't know, structured, and that's how I agree with Oscar, because we need to be more humanized. Because I don't know, this kind of chatbots gives us a lot of information based on graphics and data, but not about thoughts or feelings with the customers. So it's important to take action with these chatbots, but also be aware that the people are real still. So
Okay, well, thank you both of you for your valuable input, and I'll complete these notes and start working on the report. And yeah, well, see you next week.
See you next
see you. Thank you very much.